Well, it's not too cold out there. It's actually warmed up from this morning, thankfully.
Take a break from the heat and the AC and just enjoy that beautiful fall day out there, Rob.
Yeah, we're already up 30 plus degrees since the morning low at the 11 o'clock update. 71 degrees in Huntsville. Same for Muscle Shoals, nearly 70 in Decatur. Just a few passing high clouds, still plenty of sunshine breaking through. You'll notice Guntersville still at 59 degrees. We had quite a bit of that fog kind of locked in the lake and river valleys. So it's taking a little bit longer for those areas to warm up. But don't worry, Guntersville, you're going to make it up to the low 70s here this afternoon. Day planner for today, keep in mind with the time change just this past Sunday, we hit our highs a little bit earlier in the afternoon now, closer to about 2 o'clock. So by 4 p.m., we're already back down into the upper 60s. Of course, that's sunset now in the 4 o'clock hour, and then quickly dropping off into the 50s by 7 o'clock this evening, low 50s by 10 o'clock tonight. On the way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, we are tracking dry conditions. These are mostly high, thin clouds that you see on the satellite. It will just continue to see some of these passing through all the way through your Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Great day to get outside and get some yard work done. Of course, those leaves are really starting to fall now. And of course, we're tracking dry conditions today. Fairly light winds around 5, maybe 10 miles per hour, and the ground is dry. Same goes for tomorrow. And you really want to take advantage of the next couple of days because by Veterans Day on Thursday, we've got the rain. It's going to be a little breezy and of course the wet conditions. And as we get later into November, when you have the wet leaves, the wet grass, it just takes a little bit longer for that to dry out. So it may take until this weekend before we see some improving conditions with dry leaves. On future radar here today, that's 4 o'clock this afternoon, just some passing high clouds. Again, enough sun to warm us up into the mid 70s. By 8:30 here this evening, still tracking dry conditions, and that continues all the way into your Wednesday morning. And by tomorrow, we're actually going to see a little bit more sunshine than today, but you'll notice the clouds are starting to increase by the late afternoon hours and into your Wednesday evening, but no rain showing up just yet on future radar. That all arrives by Thursday. And we are expecting some pockets of some heavy rain, even the chance for thunderstorms. And even though we're not expecting strong or severe thunderstorms on Thursday, if there's lightning around, everyone needs to be indoors. And of course, we do have some outdoor plans for Thursday with Veterans Day. So let's take a look at it. Next rain chance coming in. This is 7:30 on Thursday morning. We may get lucky with the morning commute, and it really takes until about lunchtime before we start to see the widespread rain moving in. Most of that west of I-65. And as you start to see some of the yellows embedded on the map, you'll notice a little bit more east of I-65. That could be in the form of thunderstorms. So just be weather aware. But again, we're not expecting severe weather at this time. All the way through 9 o'clock. We start to dry things out, and we're expecting anywhere from about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rainfall. You'll notice the blue streaks on the map. That's closer to about 1/2 inch of rain. Again, this goes all the way through Thursday evening, and then we have one more chance for rain coming up here Sunday into Monday. Not a whole lot of impacts though on the rainfall forecast. So if we're going to see any rain over the next 7 days, it's going to come on Thursday. Also, take a look at those overnight lows. Tomorrow morning, we're only going to make it down to the mid 40s, much warmer than where we've been the last 5 days. Low 50s on Thursday morning, and then behind the cold front, we start to drop. You'll notice the temperatures on Saturday, back down to the low 50s for highs. So you really need to enjoy the next couple of days because it's back to reality, much cooler heading all the way through this weekend with just a low rain chance on Sunday.